Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the MS Excel VBA course tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial, I will explain how to get the top 3 highest salary employee details from an SQL Server database table, the employee table, using a Power Query. I will show you two methods using the select statement to get the top 3 highest salaries from SQL Server table, as well as using the Power Query. So let's start the tutorial. Click load. See, here we got the employee name, the MP name, salary. These the top 3 highest salaries from here.
If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates.
For this video tutorial, I have created one new workbook. The workbook name is a book 1. Now my aim is I want to fetch the top 3 employer details, employee salary details from the employee table, which are from SQL Server database. So first method, go to data. In order to connect a Power Query, go to data. Now new query from database, from SQL Server database. Now here we got we prompt with the SQL Server database with server, which we have to add our server name. So first let's connect to my SQL Server database management studio, and I'm connecting my SQL Server database. Let's copy this one. This is my server name. Connected. Databases I'm expanding, and the databases there are 2 user defined database. From these 2 user defined database, I'm expanding the Charan database. From this Charan database, I'm expanding the tables folder. For this example, I'm taking the employee table as an example. Select top 1000 rows. Now here we got the results of this employee table. Now let's find out the top 3 highest salaries only from this employee table and display on my Excel sheet. First let's add the server name, which we have copied. And now we require the database optional, but here I am adding my database name is Charan database. So let's add the Charan database. Advanced options. When we are adding advanced options, we need to use requires database. So here the SQL statement to get the top 3 highest salary. First I am writing here select distinct top 3. If you want top 3 or top 4, whatever, give the number here. If you want top 2 only, just give top 2. But here for this example I am adding top 3. MP name, salary, MP name, salary from employee table, order by salary, descending order. Now let's execute this statement. Now below notice here we got this statement result. This query results, we got top 3 salaries from this employee table: 18,000, 8,900 and 7,500. Now these 3 employee details I want to get here. So instead of writing the same code, same query, just copy this one and paste here. Click OK. And after that, load to, select how you want to view this data in your workbook. I'm selecting the table because I want to display a table on my Excel sheet. So I'm selecting the table radio button. After that, select where the data should be loaded. I'm not selecting the new worksheet. I'm selecting the existing worksheet. The cell names is A1. Click load. See, here we got the employee name, the MP name, salary. These the top 3 highest salaries from here. We got the top 3 employee details, highest top 3 salary employee details on my Excel worksheet. Now using the Power Query, now for that again I'm taking the new sheet, go to data, let's connect again from database, not database, from other sources, blank query. From blank query, the query editor, advanced editor, here this is a default code. From here I'm adding SQL database. Now first thing we require square brackets, not the square brackets. Here what we'll do is curly normal brackets. First we require our SQL server name. So SQL server name is, this is a SQL server name. Let's copy this one, paste here, comma. Again we require SQL server name. The second parameter is our database name. Our database name is Charan database. Let's add that one, Charan. Now square brackets, here the query is equals to, the query is this one. This is the query. Copy this one and paste here. That's it. Click done. Here we got the top 3 employee salaries. If you want to add top 4, go to again advanced editor, top 4 employee details, click done. Here we've got edit permissions, run, top 4 here. Now close and load to. Now this time I'm selecting sheet 2, so the table, existing worksheet, load. And here we got the employee details, top highest employee salary details from employee table. That's it. In this video tutorial, I have explained how to fetch the top 3 employee records from SQL Server database table, the employee table, using a Power Query and also using the select statement in Excel worksheet. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.